My name is Khumbuzo Mbuyazi, the owner and the founder and director of Leaf Natural Herbs, Leaf Mixture product. Leaf Natural Herbs is a company that was established from 2014. We were manufacturing the product even earlier than those years back. From 2015, we started branding our products and putting another page where you can get us, where you can get our product. You can go to our website, which is leafnaturalherbs.business site. So those people, they can contact us directly to that number, which is 031-023-0725. There are any questions to ask us or to contact us. You can contact me, who is Mr. K.S. Mbuyazi, Khumbuzo Mbuyazi. My cell phone number, direct cell phone number is 076-42-656-19. That number will be available for you from 7 a.m. until 6 a.m. You can contact me directly on that number. I can give you all the information that you want about the product. Thank you.